Good morning everyone. I welcome you all to the Web Development Lab online session. Today we are going to learn about JavaScript. So we will talk about the fundamentals to increase our limits and potential to learn and to apply JavaScript. I am going to deploy the code with the help of Notepad because I think that Sublime Text or VS Studio won't be that simpler for learning the JavaScript fundamentals. So if anybody had any query or problem regarding with Sublime Text or VS Studio, you can contact me easily. And let us just continue with some fundamentals. First I will teach you a simple hello world script with the help of JavaScript. So in the notepad we will start doc type HTML to start this HTML program, and HTML lang equals to within the double inverted commas en, and then the first section that would be head and head closed. Then the second section would be the body, as you all know, and you have learned this in the HTML scripting. So within the head tag there would be meta char set equals to UTF-8 and that closed. And after that we will write title would be JavaScript introduction, and then the title closed. Within the body we will start this with script tag is open and script tag close, and within the script tag I will write type equals to HTML/JavaScript, and then the double inverted commas close. Inside this we will write document dot write. See, write is a method and it has been accessed by the dot, and the document is the object that has accessed this method. And within this document dot write we are going to write within the double inverted commas hello world, and then we are going to save it as the test.html file. Save. You can see the browser icon appeared. So in the place of this HTML I would write text, then save, open the browser, and you can see the hello world appeared here. So next what we will do is we will give some space between hello and world. So you can see after refreshing we are not having any space, only just a single space. So what we will do, we will use ampersand NBSP, that would be no border space, and after that we will write terminator. You can see the world has been displaced with a single space with the help of NBSP and ampersand. Then you can see within the browser world has been shifted a lot. Now I will delete this NBSP and we will write a similar code after this hello world. So what it has done, it has printed hello world in a single line, two hello world in a single line. For that we will use break like this, and then you can see the hello world has been printed into another line. So what happens when I write hello world like this? So you can see the hello world has been appeared in the second line as well. So this is the another way to write break tag. You can write another document dot write, and inside it you will use break within the double inverted commas, and then you can see hello world three times printed in the browser. Now this was the fundamental. Now let us just understand how we can use HTML inside JavaScript. So I am typing Yuvraj Joshi 3 4 5 times because I am going to perform I'm going to uh, and use HTML tags for this particular operation. So we have written document dot write many times. I will also use break between these Yuvraj Joshi because you can it would be easier for you to understand what I have done, how I have used HTML tags. So I will just copy and paste this break line. So you can see that one more time. So now save it. You can see the has been printed 5 times. So what I'm going to do is I want the first Yuvraj Joshi to be bold, and I will use bold tag like this, and then I would refresh it on the browser. You can see the Yuvraj Joshi, first Yuvraj Joshi has been bolded, and then second we will use underline for second line. So second line has been underlined. Now we want both and the underline tag in for a single string. So we will use the nested elements like this and save. Go to browser, refresh. You can see it has been bolded as well as underlined. So what happens when we use the attributes of the tag, some HTML tags? So like here I am going to use font because I am going to perform some action with the font. So within the font tag I am going to give some attributes. So first one would be color equals to red. Now you can see that red has been written within the double inverted comma, so it makes font color and equals to a single string, you can see here. And then there is the second string. You can see the it is because it is wrong, we cannot use double inverted commas inside double inverted commas. In place of that we are going to use single inverted comma. Now save, go to browser. You can see the fourth line has been colored with the red color. Now I am saying that this string should have the font face of Times New Roman within the single inverted commas. So no change here in the browser because it has been written in the Times New Roman. I should change the font face, then it is Arial. So now save it, go to browser, refresh. You can see the font face has been changed. Now I will say size equals to 6. Save, go to browser, refresh, and you can see the size has been changed for the fourth string. Now what I want is I will use h1 tags. This is for the heading. Program will show automatic break. It will go into the next line. So you can see that heading is working, and inside it I will say align equals to center. So I will demagnify. Yeah, you can see that Yuvraj Joshi, the fifth line of this script has been shifted into the center. Now I would say I would use s3 tag for the last string. So what happens here? You can see it has been bolded, and I will give align equals to. Now this is the another method how we will use double inverted commas inside double inverted commas. So I will put first backward slash, and after right also I will put a single backward slash. So because of this the double inverted commas are used within the double inverted commas, because of the backslash the program will understand it that this has been attached to the attribute property. Now you can see that we are done here. So let us now just move on to the next thing, next operation.